In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a fork on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. The first step in our process is logging in to your GitHub account. You'll want to head over to github.com, and if you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start working with repositories. Next up, we need to find the repository that you want to fork. You can do this by utilizing the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in the name of the public repository you're interested in. Take a moment to browse through the search results until you find the one that's a perfect fit for what you want to edit. Now, once you've opened the desired repository, it's time to click the Fork button. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the page, right next to the star button. Clicking on it will initiate the forking process. What this does is create a personal copy of the repository under your GitHub account, which you can freely edit without affecting the original project. After clicking the Fork button, you'll be directed to a new page where you have the option to configure your fork. This is where you can customize the repository before finalizing it. You can give your fork a new name if you want, or change the description to make it more relevant to your edits or the project's objectives. This step is optional, but if you have a specific purpose in mind, it can be really helpful. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to finalize the forking process. Just click the green Create Fork button. GitHub will take just a few seconds to create your copy, and before you know it, you'll see your new forked repository appear in your account. That's it. You now have your own copy of the repository to work on. With your fork in hand, you can start making changes to the code, adding features, fixing issues, or whatever else you need to do. And remember, any changes you make will not affect the original repository unless you decide to submit a pull request. So, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. GitHub can be a powerful tool for collaboration and open source development, and knowing how to edit a fork is an essential skill that will help you navigate the platform with ease. Thanks for watching today's video on how to edit a fork on GitHub. I hope you are now able to confidently create and customize your own forks. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help.